Hello and welcome to IffI News. We bring to you all the latest happenings and celebrities visiting the film fest. Director of inaugural Portuguese film says he likes to make historical films because the study of past makes it easy to understand our role in the present. Argentinian filmmaker Pablo César wishes to make a co-production movie with India, wants to cast Amitabh Bachchan as Tagore. Babu Band Baja is a tug-of-war between fate and hope. Director of movie speaks to Prudent exclusively. Preeti Zangiani happy with Sahi Dhande Galat Bande, says story of movie prompted her to make the movie. And screening of Inqilab movie held in a private hotel in Panji. Censor board denied permission to movie, claiming movie as anti-national. And now a look at top happenings at IffI. The Consul of Bordeaux is the story of a man of conviction, Artides de Sousa Mendes. He saved 30,000 people from the Nazis in Bordeaux in 1940 during World War II. Francisco Manso, director of film, the Consul of Bordeaux, has said that he likes to make films on historical subjects because a study of past makes it easy to understand our role in present. He was addressing a press conference at the Media Center on Monday, attended by cast and crew of the film. Our reporter Lokik Shilkar and video journalist Sunny Narvekar reports.
I don't think myself is responsible for that kind of things, but if I can make some work in my activity and to talk about histories like that, by example, that one. Because it's a very particular man. We don't forget that he's very religious, very Catholic. You understand? Today I think this is very important. He ends with this career. He assumed that he ends with this career to save people that he don't know. Nobody wants that persons in that country, ni in France, ni in Belgium, because the Nazis are there. He signed his death penalty of himself. It's fantastic. Salazar, okay, I don't forget. I remember Aribano very well, Salazar, because I don't know him personally, but I know very well the time. As you imagine, I am in the other side, always. When you know better the places and histories, I think it's normal that we can think in something with Goa. And for us it's something important, really, because we make several films with the other countries which speaks Portuguese. In Africa, with Brazil also, you have feature films with Timor. You have done, here, but I think it's a really possibility in the future.
I'm shooting here in Angola, in the house of Mario Miranda, 20 years ago.
20 years ago?
20 years ago. Yes? Okay. 20 years ago I shot a movie with a story with Portugal and Goa. 20 years ago, more or less. And after I stay here to shoot 6 documentaries in Cochin, in Goa, and Dio, a lot of special things. In Portugal, they have a very good connection with the story of Goa. You have about their feeling with you, and yeah, you know one thing, it's very difficult for Portugal to come here to shooting because it's very expensive for us. For example, this movie is a co-production with Spain, with Belgium, and association with Poland, because for Portugal it's impossible to make this movie because it's very expensive. You have a small country with a small industry by year. You make 10 movies by year. 10.
Feature films.
Feature film is nothing.
Around 10.
You have 10 production or 11 production to work. I make one movie 2 years and 2 years. It's not an industry as you. You understand? It's different. When I come here one time to shooting a large movie, it's very good for me. And after I come, because I like it a lot, I come to make a documentary. One day, 5 years ago, I make this street with a friend of mine. What is this? What is this? With all flowers. This is the Festival of India. One day I must to come here. Stay here. I am very happy to stay here with you. And for me, the Aristide Sousa Mendes is a real hero, because it's not with it's not with a guns. It's a hero. It's a hero to sign visa. Is a real and the real hero Portuguese and the last hero Portuguese you have in Portugal.
Argentinian filmmaker Pablo Cesar wishes to make a co-production movie with India. Pablo Cesar, who is producing a film on Rabindranath Tagore, wants to cast Amitabh Bachchan as Tagore. Our reporter Lokik Shilkar and video journalist Sunny Narvekar reports.
I feel very close to India, and I have one idea that I think it will be very interesting to make a co-production, because there are a couple of singers in Argentina. They are brother, a man and a girl. They are brother and sister. They sing together love songs, but they are brothers. And so I think they can make a very interesting mixing with the Indian songs of in the lovely stories. So maybe one day I make a Bollywood Argentinian film, the Argentinian Indian film.
Your new film, the one on Tagore, at what stage are you? Are you past the scripting stage? Have you cast your directors? Your actors. What stage is it?
See, I have an idea, but I never talk with the actor. I would like Amin Bachchan for. I'm sorry. Yes. To make this role, yes, of Rabindranath Tagore, because the film has to be speaking also in Bengali in the scenes we will shoot in Kolkata and around Santiniketan, and the scenes in Argentina will be speaking in Spanish, and the dialogue between Tagore, Helmrich, and Victorio Campo and other characters of the history will be in English, because it was the real, tried to be the most real. It is very complicated, because I know how important is him, so we will ask for a staff of specialists of his story to not to touch the sensibility of the people of India. It is the idea is to make a homage to his big philosophy, especially on the education.
Director of the National Award-winning Babu Band Baja, Rajesh Pinjani, has described his film as a tug-of-war between fate and hope. He was speaking to our film coordinator Dipti Nagvekar and video journalist Sarvesh Reuskar at Media Center, along with the lead actor of film Milind Shinde and Mitali Jagta Varadkar, who is the lead actress of the film.
केवळ फेस्टिवलमध्येच लावायचं असं ठरवलेलं आहे काय वाटतं नाही यार असं काही नाही बट डेफिनेटली इट्स अ डेब्यू फिल्म अँड लास्ट इयर वी स्टार्टेड अ जर्नी फ्रॉम NMTC फिल्म बाजार ओनली तिथं आधी वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस लॅबमध्ये होतं ती म्हणजे माझ्यासाठी शाळा होती की मी काही एक्झाम्सची तयारी करून आलो आहे, आता बघूया टीचर्स काय म्हणतात. नॅशनल अवॉर्डनं टीचर्सनी अप्रूव्ह केलं आहे. आता इंडियन करायला वाटतं डिग्री भेटते की पुन्हा सिलेक्शन झाला. डेफिनेटली वी आर रिलीजिंग व्हेरी सून. जस्ट वेट अँड वॉच, जस्ट फॉर फ्यू डेज, नॉट फॉर फ्यू मंथ्स ऑल्सो, जस्ट फॉर फ्यू डेज. आय डिक्लेअर द डेट इन डिसेंबर सेकंड वीक.
एकतर हा जो फेस्टिवल असतो खरं तर ही राजमान्यता असते.
हो.
खरं तर भारताचा हा एकमेव फेस्टिवल असा आहे की इंटरनॅशनल मार्केटला वेगवेगळे लोक इथे येतात, लोक वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे हे येतात. काय वाटतं की या फेस्टिवलमध्ये फिल्म असणं, फिल्मचं प्रदर्शन किती महत्त्वाचं?
फिल्मचं प्रदर्शन होणं सगळ्यात मोठी गोष्ट म्हणजे सरकाराकडनं दिलेला एक मोठा सन्मान. प्लस यू फाइंड लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, लोक येतात, ते बघतात तुमचा सिनेमा. अँड डेफिनेटली बिझनेस पॉईंट ऑफ व्ह्यूने जर इंटरनॅशनल मार्केटला जायचं असेल तर इथे स्क्रीनिंग खूप अत्यावश्यक आहे.
फार मोठा सन्मान वाटतो आहे. मराठी सिनेमा ह्या लेवलवरून इतक्या मोठ्या लेवलला येऊन पोचतो आणि त्याचा एक आपण भाग असतो. आणि आपण जी वाट चोखळली की वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे सिनेमे करायचे, वेगळे सिनेमे करायचे, वेगळ्या धाटणीचे सिनेमे करायचे, त्याला यश येत आहे हे पाहून फार बरं वाटतं. आणि कुठून प्रवास सुरू केला होता आणि कुठं संपतो आहे हे वारंवार आहे. काही फिल्मचं असतं ना की ह्याचं फ्युचर दिसतं, काही सिनेमांचं भविष्य दिसतं की हे जाणार आहे 100% फेस्टिवलला इकडे जाणार आहे. तसं या फिल्मचं वाटत होतं. आणि ह्या फिल्मची साधेपण एवढं दिग्दर्शक तुम्ही बघितलं, ही व्हेरी सिम्पल फिल्म. त्यांनी कधी दिग्दर्शकाला आव्हान नव्हतं म्हणजे मी डायरेक्टर वगैरे असं काय असतं तसंच नाही. आणि फिल्म फार साध्या पद्धतीने, दिस फिल्म इज व्हेरी सिम्पल, मेड इन व्हेरी सिम्पल मॅनर. ह्या फिल्मचा USP आहे.
साध्या माणसाची
साध्या माणसाची साधी कथा साध्या पद्धतीने मांडलेली. पण ती साधी मांडणी इतकी विलक्षण भेटते मनाला की तेच त्याचं क्रेडिट आहे सिनेमा.
विषय साधी मांडणी असं काही असलं तरी सुद्धा एक विलक्षण त्यामध्ये घेऊ करताना कसं वाटतं?
मला असं वाटतं खूप साधारण फिल्म असली तरी ती खूप ताकदीची होती. आणि त्या फिल्मचे जे मोजून असे उचलले गेलेत ना राजेश पिंजानींनी की मिलिंद आणि मी, हे कॉम्बिनेशन जे घेतलं आणि ते जे मर्ज झालं त्याची जादू काही इतकी सुंदर होऊ शकते असं तेव्हा वाटलं नव्हतं. पण ऑफकोर्स खूप मजा आली आणि खूप काही दिलं या फिल्मने. खूप मोठा एक्सपिरियन्स दिला, खूप प्रेम दिलं, खूप अभिमानास्पद गोष्टी दिल्या.
इंडियन पॅनोरामामध्ये आज तिचं प्रदर्शन होत आहे, काय
खूप वेगळा एक्सपिरियन्स आहे. म्हणजे की स्वप्नातही कधी विचार केला नव्हता की मी इथपर्यंत कधी पोचेन आणि खूप लवकर मला इथपर्यंत पोचता आलं. त्यामुळे ऑफकोर्स देवाचे थँक्स आणि राजेशजींचे स्पेशली.
We are heading for a short break. Stay tuned.